guys, welcome back to Chopping Board Chefs. I'm Chef Z.
And I'm Chef S. Today, we'll be making our own salmon with only 3 ingredients.
And while that bakes, we'll make some of our favorite sides, mashed potato and steamed broccoli.
This is the salmon that we'll be baking. The reason we cut it is so it can all fit in the tray. This is the seasoning we'll be using, cedar plank salmon seasoning.
We'll also be putting the butter on the salmon. And also, we're going to use this honey.
Now we're going to cut the potatoes into small pieces for our mashed potato.
Now I'm going to boil the potatoes with salt and pepper.
Now that it's done, let's do the taste test.
Cheers! That's so good.
It's moist because of the foil, and the seasoning is like perfect.
It really hit the spot.
Yeah, let's try the mashed potato. Very like creamy.
Definitely good for dinners.
Yeah. If kids like us can do it,
Then so can you.